So let's talk about XCN. XCN, also known as Onyxcoin. It's sitting at 2.2 cents and things have not changed. I did take yesterday off Saturday, and we were before that, I think on the day of Friday, we were on 2.2 cents as well, and things have not changed at all. The only thing that I'm seeing is that the sizes of candles, they are reducing, and what it is doing is that it is creating inverted hammers. Basically, there is more structure to the bottom and there's a big wick. Now, this doesn't mean anything. You cannot use a single candle to conclude on a direction, but it does show one thing, that the volume is missing, and naturally it is weekend in weekend the volume generally disappears, and that is not uncommon. Now for us, 2.2 matters a lot. I have said this so many times previously in other videos of XCN as well. I cover it daily unless I take a day off. 2.2 matters. Why? Because the next stop is 3.3 as long as 2.2 holds, and now 2.2 is becoming more and more important as well, because if you look at this downtrend, it has finally broken out of it, and this area that it is holding, this is your 2.2. Let me show you. This is your 2.2. Now as long as this thing continues to hold 2.2, it stays above this red line, which means this is giving a breakout of downward trend. But if it loses 2.2, not only that, we are losing our support and we are going to shoot down towards 1.8 if I recall the area correctly. It also shows that it is going back under the red line. It is going back towards the downward trend, and I think this time if it goes there, it is going to be one big drop, and it's not going to be slow. It is going to be rather dramatic, so it will drop towards 1.8. Let me just check. It was 1.8. I'm just talking from top of my head. I cover 10 coins a day. XCN is pretty regular, so I do remember its area, but I will just confirm it just a second, okay? Meanwhile, you can tell me, how is your bag doing on XCN? Are you in profit, loss? Are you trading? Yeah, it is 1.8. The reason for 1.8 is simple, because it's double top. This is the neckline. If it again comes to 1.8 and it doesn't hold, then it's going to bleed towards 1 cent. So this is going to be crucial and an important area. It did come to 1.8 once, as you can see, but it reacted and it pumped afterwards. So let's hope it doesn't get to that. But 2.2 really needs to hold. Losing 2.2 only indicates that the downward journey is starting and it is losing its overall upward momentum and it wants to start. But so far it is holding, so as long as it holds, we stay bullish, we stay hopeful that it is going to go up. Our first target is 3.3. After that we can start talking about 5 cents, and that's pretty much it with XCN. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.